21. I'm 21. I'm 20. Hello everyone, welcome back to 21 Trim Haircare Studio with me, Mara. We have Maxwell in the studio, so I'm going to give Maxwell 1.5 top mid-fade drop skin. So let's see what we have for Maxwell. Let's go. So what you need to do is to make sure you wet the hair, you comb and brush to the direction of how the hair grows. Then create your first thin line or your first guard line with your clipper fully closed, going against the hair pattern, just like what you see me do, and you do this symmetrically from the other side onto the other side, so from your left to your right. So our second step is the use of the trimmer. We use the trimmer to clean the pattern that we've created, to make sure we clean all the small hairs and make the pattern look so clean, or our skin to be so clean. So make sure we clean our hair particles to make the client feel so comfortable. And we'll continue with our third step, where we open our clipper fully and we hit an inch just on top of the pattern that we created, on the same pattern from the left side to the right side. So we go with our fourth step. With the fourth step, that's when we use one guard fully open. We continue with the same pattern, continue with the same inch from the left side to the right side. So we are creating our second guard line or our second thin line. So our fifth step is the top length. We actually want the top length to be 1.5. So what we do is we comb the hair to get the hair pattern better. Then we hit 1.5 top using our guard. On our step number 6, we use the same 1.5 fully closed to go against the pattern that is in between the top 1.5 and the one fully open that we did. So that's what we are doing right now, to create a transition between the top length, that's 1.5, to the one open that we did. So that's what we are doing now. Still on step number 6, we now go 1.5 with the pattern to dress what we did first, that is the one that we did against the pattern. So that's what we are doing right now, to dress the transition from 1.5 to 1. On our step number 7, what you are come to do is to clear the second guard line or the second thin line. So what we need is our one fully closed. Remember, we use one fully open to create the one step there. So right now we need one fully closed and flake out method to clean our second thin line or our second guard line. We should get in mind that this probably might not go, but then it will give us a shadow. So we'll come back with 0.5 guard to clear the line. That is our second guard line. Our step number 7 was the use of the 0.5 guard fully open and closed to clean the second guard line or the second thin line, just like what you see there. This, you have to get in mind that you need to get a smooth transition from 1.5 to 1 to 0.5 then to 0. So that is what we have right now. You make sure you do the cleaning to, that should be a regular thing. To any step, you make sure you do your cleaning to make the client feel so comfortable. So what you are doing right now is you are come to clear the first guard line that we created. What do we need? So we need our clipper to be fully closed with the same flake out method. So use the same fading steps to dress the beard, where with this one I went on 1 for the beard, Now it's time to line up. We start from the middle of the hairline to the left side of the hairline. Then we come down on the sideline, and we go and start from the middle of the other side of the hair, and we'll do the same thing there to get our crispy lineup. So we then use the straight razor to sharpen our lineups well. But one thing we need to know is that it's not every client that actually love that, because some clients it gives them bumps. So whenever you are using this one, you make sure you ask the client on his previous haircut, has he ever experienced anything like that before you use it massively, or else you finish and there will be bumps or acne. So right after, you make sure you apply alcohol or aftershave. So we are done. So this is so magical that it can be when it comes to haircuts. Yeah, so Maxwell entered with this. So this is what we are having, and now we have this. Here we go. See how my boy is looking smart with his 1.5 top, nice mid-face drop with skin, with a nice beard, well dressed and stuff. Yeah, this is why you need to join 21 Trim Hair Care brand. Yes, so when talking of haircuts, we're talking of smoothness, when talking of cleanness, we are up for that. Thank you very much for watching this video. We are out.